In this video, we're going to talk about 1.2, Objective 9, where we create tables for functions and analyze functions. Factorial notation is defined as above here. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 24 is 120, and the graph is going to have those points there. So if we are to graph x factorial from 0 to 6 and 0 to 140, it's only going to have some points on the graph there. So there it is. It's going to, that's actually my y2. Let's turn that off for a second. So let's trace. So the points there are right there. You can't see there's 0, 1, and then 1, 1, 2, 2, so on. And it's just some points. They're right there. So it looks like this one, I believe. All right, and it really shouldn't be connected. There is no such thing as a factorial function that is between integer values, so we shouldn't connect the dots on that, but they did on this. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look at my table here. Starting up here at 1, and ignore this y2 that's in red. That's the next problem. So we're looking for the first value in y1 that's over 1 million. So the first one that's 7 digits long, so that's 5 digits long. That one's 6 digits long. That one is 7 digits long. It is the 10th value in the list. So 10 factorial is the first one that's bigger than 1 million. Let's go ahead and let's look at this next one here. And I have the table out here that this is 1, 5, 14, 30, 55, 91, 140, 204. It wants the first 10, so 285, and then 385 is, this is 9, this is 10. Did I get, yeah, it only wanted the first 5 for that. The domain is that n has to be a positive integer. It has to be a counting number here, since we're dealing with what's called a sequence, and sequences start at the first term unless you define them otherwise to start at n equals 0 with whole numbers, and we'll talk about that later, but it's basically the same thing. It just depends whether you start counting at 0 or 1. And the first term here where we go over 1,000 is right there for the 14th term. And that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and we'll talk about 1.3 Objective 1. See you for the next video.